TV host Willie Revillame has officially returned to TV5. In an episode of The Long Take, Revillame answered all the controversies surrounding him. He also talked about his remarkable journey as a game show host on various TV channels. Now that he's back on TV5, the TV5 host says he's ready to bring joy and hope to Filipino viewers.
Hindi it's about you eh. Hindi ikaw dapat ang bida sa programa eh. Dapat talaga yung may natututunan sila, natatouch mo yung mga puso nila, nabibigyan mo sila ng pag-asa, yung hope eh. I think yun ang importante sa programa eh. Yung oras ng saya, oras ng ligaya, at pagbibigay ng pag-asa. Eh yun, meron na tayo nun, kompleto na ang TV5 eh.
Ako, mabibigyan ba tayo ng jacket?
Si Will yung yung one of the few TV personalities na naiwan on air during the pandemic.
Yeah.
Remember, he was broadcasting
Para sa condo lang.
from his condo, pero tuloy-tuloy ang nag-tie up siya sa isang company, and he was giving out prizes sa mga taong walang job. Yun ang priority niya at that time, yung mga taong walang sweldo.
Tinatawagan niya, di ba, random?
Random, tapos nakakatawa mga reaction nila, "Weh, sino ka? Sinungaling." Tapos tawa ng tawa si Will.
Oo, to the point na yung halos yung ibang mga netizens din, na pag nakakita sila ng live show sa Facebook, kahit hindi naman si Kuya Will,
Lahat.
comment sila, "Kuya Will, tawagan mo naman ako."
Oo, di ba, may mga programa, lahat ng programa basta may namimigay,
Oo.
puro si Kuya Will ang sinasabihan.
Oo.